This is a short video of Yz450f Yamaha with LED lighting, taking no electricity from the bike, all from a battery pack that is tucked inside the airbox and runs for about 10 hours. Really bright LEDs. You can see the wiring there. You can see the electrical connection to the switch. I hope you can see that in there. I'm still not done hooking this up. I need to get some heat shrink sleeves, or what do you call them? There she is. Running with LED. This is the second Yz450 I've wired. The other one was in 2004. There she is.